welcome back to my channel. So today's video is something really interesting. I am going to be comparing the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, both of which are now available in India. So which is pretty amazing. So I'm going to get right into it, and as always before we start, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Starting with the Fit Me concealers, these concealers have been selling in India. I think it's been almost a year now that they are selling. They sell online on Maybelline as well as on Nykaa, and they're available in departmental stores all over India. The Instant Age Rewind Concealer is available on Nykaa. It has launched, I think, literally 2 weeks or 3 weeks back, or I think it launched in August if I'm not mistaken. So these concealers are now available in India. This is a cult favorite concealer all over the world. Actually, so is the Maybelline Fit Me concealers. Both these concealers are said to be absolutely brilliant, and which they are, but let's see how they are as compared to each other, and you can decide which one is right for you after watching this video. Coming to the packaging, first the Fit Me concealer. So it is this kind of container packaging, and it is a square packaging like so, and when you open it, it comes with this sort of a wand and this applicator tip, almost like a lip gloss, very similar to the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer packaging. Coming to the Age Rewind, Instant Age Rewind concealer packaging, this is the kind of cylindrical container it comes in. It comes with this sort of a plastic cap that comes off, and the applicator right here is this sponge. And for more product to come out, as you can see, I already have some, so I'm not going to twist it, but you basically twist this red portion right here, and more of the product will come out, and then you apply right away. In my opinion, I like the packaging of the Fit Me concealer a lot better, just because of the applicator, because it's got this sort of a wand application, so it's easier to kind of put in corners, you know. Blemishes especially are well covered with this one as compared to the sponge packaging of this Age Rewind concealer, because you can't really go into corners with this one. You would have to apply it right, just how much in this bigger area, and then kind of blend with your fingers and take it into the inner corners of your eyes, for example. And if you want to cover blemishes, it's just going to leave a big white spot. It's just going to leave a big spot right here for you to cover. Oh, yeah, exactly. For you to cover with. Just taking that off. So for you to kind of conceal with, which is not very convenient. So I prefer the packaging of the Fit Me concealer as compared to the packaging of the Age Rewind concealer. Moving on to the price, the Fit Me concealer is for 500 on Maybelline.co.in, and it is for 535 or 525 on Nykaa.com. The price point of this, it only retails, like I mentioned, on Nykaa. It is priced at 650 rupees. Both these concealers have great price points. Obviously the Fit Me is cheaper. The price points honestly don't bother me, because they are very well priced for concealers that do their job so well. So I'm really impressed by Maybelline offering such amazing concealers at just the price, at a price of 525 and 650, when other concealers that do similar jobs like the MAC concealer, the NARS concealer, the Naked Skin concealer, the Tarte concealer, they're all above 1500, 2000, 2500. That is the price range. So honestly, these concealers are amazing for their price points. Moving on, the net weight of this concealer is you get about 6.8 ml. This is the Fit Me concealer. You get about 6.8 ml of concealer in this package right here. Whereas for the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, you get about 6 ml of concealer in this tube right here. Not a big difference, 0.8 ml. Moving on to the shades. Now this one was a bummer. For some reason I thought that the Maybelline Fit Me had a lot more shades, but I just checked. In India it's got only 3 shades to choose from, which is light, sand and medium. I use the shade medium for myself because it is the darkest. So 25 works well for me. It's called medium. It is a good enough shade for me, but I wish they had more shades, because just 3 shades to choose from is a little iffy, I feel. When you come to the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, they have 5 shades to choose from, but it does not help much because their 5 shades are really light. This one is medium, so this one is the darkest shade that I think there is out there, and it's still extremely light. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly swatch these. So as you can see, this shade right here is from the Fit Me. It is the shade medium, shade number 25. And this one right here is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. It is the shade medium in that range. So as you can see, the Instant Age Rewind concealer is very light, and this is their darkest shade. In fact, I ordered the shade Honey as well, thinking that it is darker than the medium, but it turned out to be really pink. This shade right here works really well for me. These basically both are the darkest shade in both the ranges. So the Fit Me concealer is closer to my skin tone. It's great for those days when I don't want an entire highlight, sort of a concealed come highlight happening. Moving on to consistency and texture. So the Maybelline Fit Me concealer is a lot more liquidy and thinner as compared to the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. As you can see, this concealer is a lot thicker. And these both are literally one swipe of each concealer, and like you can see that this one, which is the Instant Age Rewind, is a lot thicker and creamier in texture as compared to the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which is very thin. Next, coming to blendability. Now the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, because it has a more lotion-like thinner consistency, it is obviously more easily blendable as compared to the Instant Age Rewind. Be that as it may, the Instant Age Rewind takes some more time to blend as compared to the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So both blend very well, but the Instant Age Rewind concealer takes longer to blend because it is of a thicker consistency. It also sets really quick. The Instant Age Rewind concealer sets extremely quick, so you have to be quick to work with this concealer. You don't want to leave it on there for too long. It's going to make it really hard for you to blend it out on your face. Coming to coverage, the most important part of any concealer that we seek. The Fit Me concealer has medium coverage. It is buildable, but almost always I have noticed that my dark circles do show through the Maybelline Fit Me concealer when I do apply it. Whereas the Instant Age Rewind concealer has fabulous coverage. It is so full coverage. Like I mentioned, that it is really light for me. Like you can see, it is extremely light, and if a concealer this light is put on under eyes like mine that are quite dark and they have grayish bluish undertones, that concealer, the grayness is going to come through unless it has extremely full coverage. And believe me, I do not need to wear any corrector under this concealer when I'm applying it. This concealer literally does everything. So for parties, functions and high profile events that you need to attend, this concealer is bloody fantastic because it conceals and highlights together. You can use this to highlight the high points of your face, your under your contour, under your cheekbones if you need to bring those out, your chin, your cupid's bow. It works fantastically to highlight all of that. Finally, moving on to the pros and cons of both these concealers. Talking about the Fit Me concealer first, the pros of this concealer are definitely, number one would be the price. 500 bucks is not bad at all for a concealer that is this amazing and this good at what it does. Secondly, the blendability is amazing. Like I mentioned, it is a lotion-like thin consistency, which makes it simply amazing to blend with any tool you're using. I usually use the Beauty Blender to blend my concealer and foundation into my skin. I'm not a big fan of using brushes, but it works great with both. The third pro of the Fit Me concealer is the packaging. Like I mentioned, this packaging is great. The applicator that it comes with is amazing. It is very easy to get into the corners, especially it's very easy to cover blemishes. You literally, for example, if I'm trying to cover this, I literally just need to apply that right there, and I can even just blend it out with my finger like so. So that is a big pro. It's gone, and that is a big pro of this concealer right here. So the only con that I can think of in this concealer is that it comes in only 3 shades. Now 3 shades is not good enough for the range of skin tones that we have in India, as well as when there are concealers like the LA Girl Pro Concealer on the market that has 21 shades to choose from. That is a good shade range to have for a drugstore concealer, and the LA Girl Pro Concealer is something that is in direct competition with both these concealers rather, and I do have a video on a review for that concealer. I'll put that in the description box as well for you guys to watch it if you want. Moving on to the Age Rewind concealer. The pros of this concealer are once again the price, 650 rupees. Though it is more expensive than the Fit Me concealer, I think that still 650 rupees for this sort of a concealer is very good. It has super high coverage, which is the second pro that I want to talk about. Like I mentioned, amazing coverage, amazing to just conceal, highlight and everything at the same time, not worrying about layering on too many products. One product and you're done, which is, I think it's fantastic. The cons that I can think of are once again over here the shades. 5 shades, yes, more than the Fit Me concealer, but at the same time a lot of the shades are too light for our Indian skin tones. I mean, the medium works as a highlighter for me. The medium is probably 2 or 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. So it is quite crazy that this one's the darkest shade, and there's one more shade, Honey, which is similar to this shade. It's not darker, but it is very pink. It's got a very pink undertone to it. The second con and the final one is the applicator for this concealer. Like I mentioned that because you have to directly apply it, you can't really go into smaller corners of your inner eyes, for example. You can't spot conceal blemishes unless you take some on your hand or on a brush and then spot conceal them, because it's too big of a blob that will get stuck to your face if you try to spot conceal with this applicator right here. So that's it guys, that was a quick review of the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer as compared to the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments, any suggestions and any requests to make, please do put them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to oblige. I'll see you in my next video.